Today I finally got around to exchanging the brake fluid in my blue black 124. It was well overdue. While the rear wheels were off, I decided to inspect the rear brake shields because I suspect they are the cause of the noise that's been driving me up the wall. And sure enough, the right hand rear is rubbing on something. I had a feeling it would be the case because when I rebuilt this rear suspension many years ago, there was an incident. The subframe fell off the jack and landed harshly on the ground, and it dented both of those rear brake shields. So it just proves that the right rear is basically deformed. It's rubbing on the lower control arm when it's at the normal ride height. It may well contact it when it's in the air normally, but that's the exact noise that I'm hearing driving around. I did jam a screwdriver in there and manipulate it somewhat, and I have gotten rid of the noise for now. I just know that at some stage I'm going to have to put new brake shields on the rear of this car because of an accident that occurred. It was my fault. I didn't make the same mistake on the red car, fortunately, so those ones are good. But anyway, the mystery has been solved, and it's really not that bad. Although to change them, quite a lot of work is involved, but it's not urgent, and it's quite quiet now, so something for the future. And here is just a demonstration of my pink vacuum pods on the aircon unit. They have completely failed on this car now. If you watch that economy gauge, it's basically losing vacuum anytime I push the recirc button, and when I turn it off again, the economy gauge goes back. So that is a significant vacuum leak now. Unfortunately, I see a dash removal in my future. I didn't want to do it on this car, but I knew in the bottom of my heart that I had to at some stage, and it looks like I will.